My practice is intellectual property. The types of matters that I handle are everything from patent litigation, patent prosecution, trademark litigation and prosecution, and a little bit of intellectual property licensing, counseling of clients, that sort of thing. In the patent litigation industry, telecommunication industry, it is a very hot and busy area. But I also have some smaller clients that either I've brought up or that we have with other partners of the firm that really need counseling on everything from soup to nuts. So everything from your initial contracts, your initial licensing, how to set up the companies, that sort of thing, IP advice, and really what they look for is a strategy. We're providing kind of an all-encompassing strategy. But we have so many great attorneys that operate in a number of different industries, and when you're starting up a business, everything from a corporate practice, a tax experts, all of that is really, I can just make a couple phone calls and have the right people on the phone and really provide full-time customer service. One of the things that the strongest points that I have, think that military men and women bring to the table is that there isn't very much that rattles us. I've been in war zone, I've had things in an aircraft carrier that break when we're trying to launch planes, and those are massive emergencies where people can die if you don't do the right thing. The other thing that I think we bring, and it's one of our core values, is integrity and ethics. And that is something that I think the practice of law demands, that you are 100% accountable for what you do, that you have great integrity, and that you're not flat, you're not concerned when things don't seem to go the right way. So I think a lot of military lawyers that are practicing at the firm, and this firm in particular has a number of veterans that work here. One of the compliments that we often get is, nothing ever phases you, nothing's really going to bother you. On my short tour, I went to Italy, lived in Italy for 3 years, and started to get some exposure to the legal community, and it became something that I thought I could not only follow in my grandfather's footsteps, but take my practice, engineering practice, and look to apply that to the legal world. And the amazing thing, and sort of the story for me, is that I had one job interview. And the reason was because when I got out, Duane Morris was looking for Navy nuclear engineers and wanted to build up an IP practice based on that. I didn't really know what a patent was. I didn't know what a trademark was. I'm just a 28-year-old, 29-year-old getting out of the Navy, and Duane Morris was looking for me to hire me as a clerk, and their vision has really become what my life is that they wanted to take my engineering training, teach me how to be a lawyer, and they have 4 years to do that while I'm going to an evening program at law school, and from that, the rest is history.